Welcome to the Cleanster Pro app, a new and improved way for cleaning professionals to connect with clients. Here's how to register on Cleanster Pro. Begin by downloading the Cleanster Pro app, which is available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Once downloaded, you'll need to open the app, and then tap Register. You'll be asked to provide an email address, followed by your first and last name, a 4-digit PIN, home address, and a phone number. Next, you will need to specify how many years of experience you have as a cleaner, whether or not you're eligible to work in your country, your preference for any merchandise that Cleanster may send, and finally, enter your method of commute. If you have a referral code, please enter it here. Next, tap Complete to move on to the background check component. Now tap the Get Started button, and you'll be redirected to a third-party verification provider. While going through the background check, you have the option to verify using a passport, driver's license, or an identity card. You will be required to take a picture of whichever document you decided to use, and you'll be asked to take a selfie for verification. Make sure your whole face is visible and in focus. Once this process is complete, you can head back to the Cleanster Pro app to complete your profile. Before getting activated, you'll need to verify your email address. You'll also have to upload a profile image. We recommend being as professional as you can. You'll also have to choose a payment method. We support banks, PayPal, and Venmo. Once your profile is 100% complete, you're all set to start earning money with Cleanster. Here's how to claim a job on Cleanster Pro. The app has tabs for your tasks, earnings, messages, and schedule. You can adjust your working hours for each day like so. By heading to the More tab, you'll see the option to edit or preview your profile, modify settings, seek help, or view a full earning history. Notice that there is a starting hourly rate. The rates increase automatically based on service quality and performance. New job requests will appear under the New Requests section within My Task. With each request, you get an overview of the type of property, date, time, location, and pay. You can tap on the address to view in Maps. And you can click on the job request to view more details. If needed, you can tap Message to communicate with the host. To accept a job, tap the Accept button. Once claimed, you can also add this job to your phone's calendar. Now, My Task will display the job under the Accepted Jobs section. We just covered accepting jobs where the client requests you as a pro. But Cleanster also lets you find jobs that are open to the marketplace. You'll get notified when there are jobs in your selected area. You can head over to the Schedule tab and click on any date to view available jobs. Then, you can tap to claim the job. Here's how to complete a job. When you are ready to start an accepted job, tap the On My Way button. This will notify the client that you are on your way. When you have arrived, tap to arrive. Cleanster Pro will open up property details. Here you can see info such as any access codes, Wi-Fi, parking, and other notes. Before you begin cleaning, tap Before Photos to upload images from your gallery or camera. Since this is an Airbnb booking, cleaners are mandated to provide before and after pictures, as the property host is not expected to be there. Here is what a cleaning checklist might look like. As you progress through tasks, tap on them to mark them as complete. Note: some tasks may require photos. Once the property is clean, you can tap on After Photos to upload images just like we did before. Note: you can only upload images taken in the past 12 hours. Your account will be restricted if you upload false pictures to the client. If for some reason you need to pause the job, simply tap Pause. You can tap Resume to continue working. If you need to chat with the host, you can tap on Message. Once the job is done and you have provided before and after photos, tap Complete. You'll be brought to an overview of your start and finish time, along with a breakdown of your earnings. You can leave an optional rating for the client. And you're all done. If we go back to My Task, it will be empty as we completed the only accepted job we had. After completing your first 5 cleaning jobs, there will be an assessment to ensure Cleanster standards are being met. Here's how to change your payout method. The Earnings tab is where you can view your payout history and modify the payment method. To change or add a payment method, click the Payout Method tab. Here you will see all your added payment methods. You can also add another method by clicking here. Make sure you have selected a payout method as default. This will ensure you receive payments on time. At the top, you could see any earnings that are yet to be processed. Automatic processing happens twice a day, at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can click on a transaction to view more details. Here's how to change your address. Changing your address is useful if you want to see jobs in other areas or if you're relocating. Begin by clicking the More tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on Address. Here, you'll see your current address. You can search for an address in the search bar above. Finally, click Update and you're done. Here's how to update your profile. Start by clicking on the More tab. Here you'll see the option to edit your profile. You can update your name, email, and phone number. You can also change your 4-digit PIN under the More tab. And you're done. Here's how to update your availability. Start by clicking on the Schedule tab. Then click the clock icon at the top of the screen. Here, you can specify your working hours for each day and whether you want to take any days off. Once you're done, click Save. Here's how you can manage your cleaning business with Cleanster Pro. You might be operating your business without an automated system or management app. Here is how you can invite your clients and co-cleaners to a single platform. Start by clicking the More tab. Here, you'll see 2 options: My Customers and Co-Cleaners. Under My Customers, you will see the option to invite customers at the bottom. Use an email address, then click Invite. You can see all your invited customers and if they have accepted the invite. Under Co-Cleaners, you will see all your invited co-cleaners, the status of the invite, and the option to invite more cleaners. Use an email address, then click Invite. This is a great feature if you're operating a cleaning business with multiple cleaners. We hope this video was helpful in getting you started with the Cleanster Pro app. If you require further assistance, please visit www.cleanster.com.